it's all about business, nigga. You know. So this week I got my shit. You know, all of this, nigga. You know what it is. You know, nigga, I got a lot of this. Holla. It's business, bitch. Wake the fuck up. Okay? This ain't for nigga, I don't wanna smoke all this shit. Yeah, I wanna smoke it. Smoke couple of fucking grams, nigga. I wanna fucking, you know, buy these and shit, nigga. Huh, you ain't no shit. Stop fucking said this is no, not fake, man. Not fake. All coming from them, man, you know. Now you know. You don't know now, you know. That's like that, bitch. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You know what it is, bitch.